Tasi!
Hello, happy learners! Are you ready for a helpful new letter? It's the happy letter H. Say it with me. H, H, H. Here's uppercase H. It's full of happiness, and it starts so many helpful words. Here's lowercase h. H is for horse, neighs playfully. Hibiscus flower, blooms with a sparkle. House, a tiny cartoon house waves from its window. Happy, all cheer together.
H is for horse. Who loves to run? Hibiscus blooms in the bright, warm sun. Happy faces, here we go. Let's say H, 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 nice and slow. Trace and slow.
Let's trace the letter H together. Ready? Use your finger in the air. Straight down, and a line across in the middle. That's uppercase H. Hooray! You learned the happy letter H. Keep your eyes open for more H words all around you. See you next time.